Hey everyone, I'm Andrew. This is
Karen.
and we are on the island of Koh Phangan in Thailand. It's a small island on the Gulf side of Thailand, just north of Koh Samui. And we're spending the next 4 to 5 days at the Wonderland Healing Center yoga retreat. Alright, so we've been here for a few days now, and it's both Karen and I's first ever yoga retreat, so we didn't really know what to expect. Karen did a ton of research ahead of time, and overall we're really stoked about the location that we picked. Wonderland Yoga, this place specifically, the location is beautiful, greenery surrounding, there's a pool right in the center, you have access to yoga, to meditation, there's a buffet of all vegan food 3 times a day that you can go and access. Eating plant-based when you're traveling can be a challenge. What I love about this place is that we don't have to think about it at all. 3 times a day you get delicious plant-based meals. All the food is freshly prepared. It's light, but it keeps you full. They have almond milk, which we haven't even seen almond milk anywhere in Asia so far. They have pistachio milk, which I didn't even know existed until yesterday. So overall, that's been great. The yoga itself is a little bit different than we were expecting. Karen and I have done yoga in the US, where it's more like the core power, you're sweating, you're doing all these things really fast in motion, and you're out. This is much more focused on the intentional side of yoga, probably more on the traditional side of yoga, where you're really focused on posture, on positions, it's slower movements, so it's really making sure that you focus on your technique rather than just get you in and out of the door. So it's been great so far. We actually extended for an extra night because we loved it so much, so we're excited to see how the rest of the stay goes. So it's the end of our trip now. We just checked out of the yoga retreat, but we're still here hanging out. We're still here hanging. And that's one of the cool parts about this place is you can check out and then use the yoga classes, eat the food for the entire day that you check out as well. And that kind of leads into one of the things that I loved about here is that it's very comfortable and free-flowing. There aren't a lot of rules. There's not like a time the pool closes, you have to be out. It's just very much like, yeah, you do what you'd like to do.
Come and go as you please and feel really relaxed and open. We're all adults here. You can figure it out. So overall, this was a great experience. We would definitely recommend that if you're in Thailand, you're looking for a yoga retreat, even if you're not looking for a yoga retreat, that you check this out. Some of the people here have been here for, we found out, we've been here for 5 days. Someone's been here for 7 to 8 days. Some people have stayed and extended for 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So check it out, and please be sure to subscribe because we're gonna continue our adventure in Thailand, and we have a lot more videos to share with you. And we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.